Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take the trending rice purity test. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone and search for ricepuritytest.com. This is the website where you'll answer all the questions to determine your rice purity score. Once you're on the website, you'll see a list of questions. Zoom in to read the questions clearly, and then select the ones that apply to you. Remember, this isn't a bucket list, so only choose the experiences you've had. The test typically consists of around 100 questions. Once you've answered all the questions, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now, you'll see a button that says Calculate My Score. Before clicking, make sure to read through any cautionary instructions on the page. Your rice purity score is now displayed on the screen. You can take a screenshot of it and share it on TikTok to join the trend. And there you have it. Taking the rice purity test is easy and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.